In this video, I'm going to be going over how to create a GreenGeeks account step by step from start to finish. Creating an account with GreenGeeks is a quick and easy process. I'll also be providing you with a GreenGeeks discount so you can save some money on your GreenGeeks web hosting purchase. You'll get up to 70% off plus a free domain name on annual plans. Let's get started with the GreenGeeks Create Account tutorial. The first thing you want to do to create an account with GreenGeeks is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to GreenGeeks and so you can take advantage of the GreenGeeks discount, getting you up to 70% off plus a free domain name if you choose an annual plan. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the GreenGeeks page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be where you'll see the GreenGeeks plans. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the LITE, Pro, and Premium plan. You'll see you can get hosting for as low as $2.95 a month with the LITE plan, $4.95 a month with the Pro plan, and $8.95 a month with the Premium plan. The LITE plan is a good plan if you're going to have one website or just starting out. This plan comes with 50 email accounts and 50 gigabytes of web space. The Pro plan is a good plan as it comes with unlimited websites, unlimited email addresses, and unlimited web space. The Pro plan also comes with better performance compared to the LITE plan. The Pro plan also comes with on-demand backups and WordPress repair tool. The WordPress repair tool will secure your WordPress core files with clean, current versions. It will also provide software updates for WordPress core, WordPress theme, and WordPress plugins. WordPress repair tool will also optimize your WordPress database, resets WordPress administrative passwords, restores default configuration file, and .ht access values, and more. The Premium plan comes with unlimited websites like the Pro plan, along with all the same features in a free dedicated IP, free alpha SSL, and object caching, MEMCACHE, and REDIS. With a dedicated IP, instead of your site sharing the same IP address with others, you'll have your own IP. The Alpha SSL provides you with a site security badge on your site if you'd like, and with the Alpha SSL certificate, you'll have a $10,000 limited guarantee warranty which protects your customers. I do want to note that all GreenGeek plans come with a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Object caching can speed up your site and help your load times. Object caching will store database query results so that the next time the result is needed, it can be served from the cache without having to query the database over and over. Redis can speed up your website and improve your load times. You'll see a difference if your website is dynamic that loads a ton of data across pages stored in your database. For example, user details, taxonomies, links, and other similar data. If your site is a static site with style sheets and some images, you may not see an improvement with this. The MEMCACHE is good for dynamic sites and web applications like e-commerce stores or websites where login registration is needed. Click the Get Started button on the plan you'd like to select. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the LITE plan. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose a domain name. The domain name will be free if you select an annual term for your GreenGeeks hosting purchase. If you already have a domain name from another domain register, you can type it in over on the right. When choosing a domain name, you can select the .us dropdown and you can choose the domain extension you'd like to go with. Once you have the domain name that you want, hit the Next button. You'll now be directed to a page where you will enter your account information. You'll then want to go to Account Plan. If you click on it, you can select the GreenGeeks hosting term you'd like to go with. You'll get the cheapest pricing with the annual 12-month term. After you select a term, you can change the server location if you'd like. If you click Change Location, you can choose between United States, Canada, and Europe. Next is the Essential Add-ons section. You'll see domain locking is included free as well as total DNS control. If you chose a domain name with GreenGeeks, you'll see ID Protect, who is privacy. Domain privacy protects your personal information showing in the public whois database so that spammers and telemarketers don't get a hold of your information to flood your email or phone with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public WHOIS database as domain names are regulated. With domain privacy, it'll show GreenGeeks default contact information instead of yours. Highly recommend domain privacy. If you click the check mark, you can unselect it if you don't want it. Next, enter your payment information in and click the Create Account button. You've now successfully created an account with GreenGeeks Web Hosting. GreenGeeks will now email you a receipt and send you a welcome email with login details to log in to the GreenGeeks dashboard so you can start creating your site. That's my GreenGeeks tutorial on how to create a GreenGeeks account. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more GreenGeeks web hosting tutorial videos.